It's time to look at the top automotive news of the week.
Toyota has pulled off the covers of its next big electric move for India. This is the Urban Cruiser Ebella, a brand new electric SUV that signals where Toyota's EV strategy is heading next. No prices yet, but bookings are now open. The Urban Cruiser Ebella makes its global debut with Toyota's latest urban tech design language. Up front, you get the signature Toyota hammerhead face, LED lighting, and a clean, futuristic stance that clearly separates it from Toyota's ICE lineup. This is an EV designed for city life, modern, sharp, and unmistakably Toyota. Now, what matters for EV buyers most is the range, and Toyota is coming out strong with the Urban Cruiser Ebella with the ARAI claimed range of 543 kilometers, placing it firmly among the longest range electric SUVs expected in this segment. Inside, the focus is on tech and comfort with premium cabin layout, connected features, and JBL audio system, underlining Toyota's push towards more lifestyle-oriented EV experience. Toyota is also backing this EV push with some serious ownership plans. Toyota says it has trained over 2,500 dedicated BEV technicians across more than 500 touchpoints in India, reinforcing its long-term commitment to electric mobility. Bookings for the Urban Cruiser Ebella are now open at ₹25,000, while pricing will be announced at a later date. Now, with a strong range and Toyota's reliability, along with all that urban tech, the Urban Cruiser Ebella marks an important step in Toyota's EV journey. But the big question is, how competitively will it be priced?
Skoda has started the new year with the launch of the Kushaq Facelift, featuring updated styling, segment-first features like massaging seats and a new 8-speed automatic gearbox. Pre-bookings are open now, with prices coming in March. Skoda has also revealed its future plans to launch new feature-packed variants of Kodiaq and Kodiaq RS, the performance SUV of the brand. Maruti Suzuki is expanding aggressively with a new 35,000 crore plant in Gujarat's Khoraj, set for 10 lakh annual capacity and 12,000 jobs. It will expand Maruti Suzuki's production capacity to 40 lakh cars per annum. Exports are rolling for the Maruti Suzuki Victoris, with over 450 units shipped as the Suzuki Across to Africa, Latin America and the Middle East, among other countries. Tata Motors has launched 17 new ICE and electric trucks in the 755-ton segment, including the Azura series with upgraded cabins meeting Euro crash norms. Tata's new trucks feature advanced telematics, factory-filled CNG options, and electric variants with 200 to 300 kilometers range for urban logistics. Delhi police has impounded a Mahindra Scorpio N for reckless driving, arresting the 21-year-old driver after a viral video. The police department issued a strong warning on X against rash driving endangering public safety. In the world of F1, cars have started building up hype for the 2026 season. Audi has unveiled its F1 car for the 2026 season, marking a bold entry into Formula One. Red Bull and Haas F1 team revealed a refreshed livery for 2026. Changes include updated color gradients and sponsor placements for better visibility.